I'm selecting.
I see a lot of 4s and 1s. And then between 3 and 5, everyone choose one of those. I think 5. That's 1, 4, and 5. Alright, number 1 can be done in Desmos as number 4. So you could do this one of two ways. Either put the numbers in using parentheses or put the numbers in with sliders. So if I type it in with the variables, I have to use capital X, capital Y. And then if I add in all my sliders, then I can change all of these to be the numbers they say. So 4, 10, and that would give us 3. You could also just put each one in and it would give you the same thing. So B3 was your answer for that one. For your line of estimate, add in your table. Think of, if you forget what the equation is, think of your equation of a line, change your x1 and y, change your x and y to be x1, y1, change your equals to be the squiggly line. Because that's not something you'll be given on the SOL. And then round to 3 decimal places. So y equals 1.623. X plus 14.815. Questions on that one? Number 5 can also be done in Desmos. If I type this in as is, it's going to graph this for me, give me a vertical line. Right now this line is solid, so that would be a closed point at -5, shaded to the right. You would write x is greater than or equal to -5. And I can put -5 here, it would be closed, going to the right. And you would say use Desmos if you didn't solve it algebraically. Do you have any questions on any of those? If you haven't already, check out your notes from yesterday. The domain and range notes.
You got the x.
And we're in the practice work. We did these bottom two yesterday. I would say look at the last couple pages. If there's any you want to see, do go over and have questions about. Should have been the one I just gave Are there any of those we want to see do go over, work through together? You have one. Alyssa, did you want one? Yes. Find the circle one. So we'll do that one, and then you guys will have some time to practice this SOL stuff, both map. So in this example, we have endpoints. It doesn't keep going on forever and ever. So for our domain, starts off the same, curly brackets, X the line. Where does this start? Is that where it starts? Is that the furthest point from the left? -1. And then how would I continue to write this? We're missing something. X. Good. Really right. Do you have any questions on the domain? I do have another one.
I think so. Oh. Still. That's crazy.
Range, lowest to highest. Starts off the same, but with Y. What's our lowest? -1. How would I keep writing that? Not X, Y. Is 6 the highest? 7. So usually when you see a circle, they should be the same, but that's not always the case. It depends on where on the graph it is. Do we have x-intercepts? Yeah. Yes, where are they?
0, 0, and 8, almost 6.
If they're a little off, you could make up one. Okay, y-intercept. Y-intercept. And is it, mine's more like 0.6, but whichever one yours is on, put that. Is this a function? No, it does not have vertical lines. Do we have any questions on this? Tomorrow we're going to start the last thing we need to know and then finish it on Monday if need be. And then we will cover everything that's going to be on that one. So for the remainder of class, for the next like 20 minutes, you could be working on practice from these notes, practice from your relations and functions notes, JLabs, TestNav, the SOL practice from the other day, the MathGap SOL practice if you still have that, the practice quizzes, the math. You have a bunch of different things you can be working on.